Hi guys, and welcome to this video. So right now we have created a new page, which is the login page, but we don't have a way to navigate from the home page to the login page. I mean, it's not ideal that every time we want to go to the login page we have to type /login right here. So we need to find a way to navigate from the home page or from any other page to the login page or to diverse pages. So this is what we do using Next.js. So first of all, we are going to go to our navbar, which is a component which is in our layout. So all the pages basically all the pages have this navbar which has login and sign up. So right now if we look at our navbar, it's a p tag. Nope, we don't need a p tag right here. So I had already imported this component. So this is a Next.js component link. So this is a Next.js component, and this is the component we are going to be using to navigate. So this is what we are going to do right here. We're going to change this p tag to link, basically. So we see it's underlined, right? This is because there's a property which is required and it's missing, and this href type is missing. So this type is missing and we have to include it, and this type it's supposed to be type string, class name string, basically. So we come right here, this prop, we include the prop href. It's supposed to be a string and it's going to be /login. So let's leave it like this, and I want us to go to the home page, and then we try to navigate to the login, and let's see what happens. So when we click here we go, we have navigated to the login. I want to try out something because I remember there was in the past I was coding a website, and there was something I did which led to an error. So I want to try out something. So let's just see. Let's put another slash in front of this, and let's try to navigate to the login. Oh, it still works. Then I don't know what happens. It means all is well. You can put the slash in front or you can leave the slash out. It still works perfect. So we learned. Okay, so guys, basically that's very simple. So now we have a way to navigate from our home page to the login page. So we're going to proceed in the next video, and basically we're going to start building our login page. I'm really excited for this one because we're going to be learning new things in Tailwind CSS this time. So we're going to be learning new things in Tailwind CSS. So thumbs up to this video if you're excited, and make sure you subscribe so that you are notified, and you hit the notification button, of course, so you're notified when I upload that video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.